How to make floor cleaning machine at home. Materials required to design are sponge, wood and ice sticks, tires, rod, cardboard, motors and tires, wires and battery, and these two caps. Take the cardboard by 40 into 10 centimeter. Then attach the motor like this. Attach the four wheel like this as you are seeing. Then make the wiring. After that attach the ice sticks. Attach the parallel sponges, then add and glue it to the wood. Let me show you it's working. Wow, you're watching, it is good. Oh, it is cleaning the area. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel Creativity Science for